I will show you how to use Google AI Studio to generate your voice and make it realistic after the new update. After the new update, Google AI Studio has become very complicated and a lot of content creators are finding it difficult to navigate around. In today's video, I will show you around. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser and type Google AI Studio. You have it, then go ahead and send it. Now, the reason why I'm always using PC is so that you can see the screen very well. Now, all of these things are available in your mobile version. So go ahead and use any one. I tried to use my mobile phone, but it wasn't giving me what I was expecting. All right, so this is the interface. You can see the changes, right? This is how the new interface looks like. So make sure you are already on your playground, okay? And then you go down, you're going to see, to select this last one, the patient teacher, okay? You're going to have an interface like this, okay? Now, remember, this place that is like a scene, make sure you clear everything. Nothing should be there, okay? Nothing should be there. And then here, and then, you know, when you're generating your script, ask ChatGPT to give you the tone of the voice, okay? Every scene has a tone and your script has a tone. So when you request for it, ChatGPT will give you a condensed tone that matches your script, okay? That is what is going to make your script different from what other people are creating. That is what is going to make you to use this tool effectively. So I already have my own. If you need the exact one that I'm using here, comment prompt, okay, and I'm going to drop this exact one that I use. So when you have this context, sample context, okay, paste it here. Now look at it. It is read loud in a friendly tone. So if you need it, just comment prompt and I'm going to drop it for you, okay? And then when you have this speaker, we have speaker 1, we have speaker 2, we have speaker 3, and all of that, okay? Now I don't need all of those speakers. So what I need is just speaker 1. So when we have this speaker, you can close all of these, click on it, and it will open up to diverse speakers. Now remember, all these speakers were not available in the previous version. So the updated version came with new features, and you can see there were some voices that were not enabled. You were not able to use. You were unable to use. But after the update, you're able to use everything here. So you can choose any one of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and select any one that I want. Let's go ahead and select this one. Now the moment you select it, you're going to see something like current, okay? It's one of the updates. Go ahead and close it. Come back here, the voice is here. Now this is a key part you need to pay attention to. The new update permits you to use only short voice, okay, short text. Don't give it long text, okay, make it short. AI can be able to pronounce everything and give you accurately. Do you understand? So for example, I want to type in this awesome very short script. So even if you have 10 scenes, okay, break those voices, break those texts, what you want the voice to say into section by section, okay, generated one after the other, so they can be able to have the perfect voice you're looking for. So now we are done with our script. We are done with our script. Let's say this is our script, what we want the voice to say, and we come over here, look up here, you're going to see this model, okay? We have different models here. Now this is new, okay? This has been added. Gemini 3.1 Flash has been added. We have this one is paid. The Lyria Pro is paid. This is paid, and this is free, okay? This is also free, right? So any of the free model, you can go ahead and use it, okay? So I'm going to go with this last one. Then let's watch what is going to happen. So I'm done with the everything is set up perfectly, okay? So let's go ahead and run this. Just look down here, you're going to see. I love making it. That is the reason why I love using a PC, so that you can see my screen very well. So like I said, it's the same process if you are using your mobile phone. Then go ahead and run it here. Once you run it, no, before now there were always text around here, but the updated version pushes everything and organizes everything to become perfect. So this is very user friendly. I love it because it's user friendly and you can navigate easily, unlike before. So let's listen to the voice again.
Good morning, YouTubers. Start uploading today. No one is umming to save you.
Awesome, perfect. Everything came out very well. But if you make it more than this, it's not going to produce any. In fact, it's not going to produce very well for you. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification to be the first to be updated when I upload the next one. So until then, see you in the next one. Bye.